The new condo law.
The new building law is enacted as SB 4D about building safety. Please note, read the law yourself and seek real estate legal advice from purchasing or investing attorneys and CPAs. The building safety law was enacted because of the Surfside tragic collapse of a condo with 98 souls lost, and it was due to a drainage issue. The state Senate responded to the 2001 incident by mandating structural inspections. Condos within 3 miles of the coastline with 3 or more floors and older than 25 years, 30 years inland apply. Inspections must be performed by structural engineers and architects with 10-year milestone inspections as well. Substantial deterioration must be repaired within 365 days. And financially, a structural integrity reserve study shall be performed as well for the future major repair of replacement of common elements such as roof, load-bearing walls, primary members, the floor, foundation, fireproof and protection, plumbing, and any item over $10,000 in need of deferred maintenance. Again, seek professional real estate tax, financial, and legal advice before purchasing or investing. My personal opinion is to set aside the 27.5-year depreciation as reserves. It is a gift from the IRS with a purpose. Note: special assessments may be charged to the property if there is no reserve fund. And there are additional condo ownership expenses to consider: taxes, insurance, HOA dues for the common area expenses such as maintenance, management, amenities, and future capital expenditures. And sellers, let us know if you have any property that we may purchase or help you sell. And buyers and investors, let us know what you're looking for.